Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact connection timeout easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, what you need to do first, just open task manager, and after that here you will find the running applications. Now just close all the applications that you don't need, and after that click here and close it also from this one here, and like Java, click cancel, and OBS, and that's it. Applications like that, and then try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.